It is now exactly 8 o'clock.
Today's review is a little different. In fact, it actually starts at my home. Right now, it's 8 in the morning, my phone is at 100% battery, and we're going to document a full day of using the Huawei Mate70 Air. Let's see how this ultra-slim, all-around flagship really performs. Let's go! The phone's slim, lightweight design is convenient. Its 7-inch screen fits in your pocket. Commuting in Beijing is long. You might not have a seat, but you need internet. For connectivity, you can count on Huawei. The Huawei Mate70 Air uses an ultra-narrow antenna design and the 07 AI algorithm to predict and optimize networks. Even in the subway, it keeps full signal bars and streaming videos stay smooth with no lag. You can easily scroll Douyin or Zhiahanshu on the subway. Watching videos, the Huawei Mate70 Air's big screen stands out. Its 18.8 to 9 aspect ratio means the display area is much larger, so Douyin videos have a noticeably bigger viewing area. In the Zhiahanshu app, you can see more posts at once. The large screen of the Huawei Mate70 Air is really perfect for work. In our jobs, we often need to look at a lot of documents, materials, and drafts, and this big screen on the Huawei Mate70 Air lets you see much more content at once. For example, the document I have opened right now can display about a page and a half of content, even if we zoom in on it. It can still almost fit a whole page of text, which is really convenient. The biggest help the Mate70 Air has given me this time is definitely when I'm reviewing photos taken by my colleagues. This 100% P3 wide color gamut screen can accurately reproduce the colors of the photos. And with such a large screen, we can zoom in on the details as much as we want. Plus, you can use the Huawei M Pen 3 to circle and annotate directly. I think this feature is just awesome. Just circle the areas in the picture that need to be edited. Hand it to your colleague for editing, and that's it. If you need to sign, just use the pen to sign electronically. No more printing or scanning. When looking up information online, you can also use the Huawei M Pen 3's one-click clipping feature. You can directly clip the text you want and drag it to the file transfer station. This makes it super convenient when you're drafting documents. The coolest part is, when discussing plans with colleagues, the large screen of the Huawei Mate702 can directly display the PP plan. And then, the Huawei M Pen 3 also has an Air Mouse mode. Using it directly as an Air Mouse is especially convenient when discussing plans. Huawei really knows how to make the most of a big screen. Such a large display truly deserves to be paired with a stylus for the best experience. Lunchtime is the most relaxing moment of the day because I can slack off a bit and jump into a quick game. Take out that guy under the tree up ahead. Where? Under the tree ahead. I can't see him at all. Nothing shows up on my screen. Playing games is more satisfying on a big screen. The Huawei Mate70 Air's display is larger than other phones, giving you an advantage when gaming. With its slim, lightweight body, I don't feel strained even after holding it for a long time. What surprised me most about the Huawei Mate70 Air is that even with such a slim, light body, it still delivers great performance and heat dissipation. Then, light phones can also have strong gaming performance. Who says slim phones can't have good speakers? The Huawei Mate70L also features stereo dual speakers, and its dedicated large speaker provides great stereo sound. You can even pinpoint directions just by listening through the speakers. This afternoon's work was hectic, and one of the main tasks was coming to the studio to shoot content. This time, the Huawei Mate702's imaging is top-notch. It uses a 50-megapixel flagship sensor. The main camera has a 1/1.3-inch ultra-sensitive large sensor and a 12-megapixel ROIB telephoto lens with optical image stabilization. With HarmonyOS True Color imaging, it reproduces colors even more accurately. The large sensor and true color imaging together deliver impressive performance in both daylight and night. It also features my favorite personalized color card. Inside, you can choose from a variety of color styles, and within each style, you can also fine-tune the color details, which is really practical. Plus, when you're overwhelmed and not sure how to take a great shot, it also has an AI-assisted composition feature to help you find the most suitable shooting scenario. That way, you can snap stunning photos effortlessly, and it's super convenient to send the finished pictures to colleagues or use them for publishing. The photos you just took can be instantly transferred to your colleague's phone with a simple drag and drop, or you can just tap your phone. And look, the photos and videos are sent right to your phone. Isn't that super convenient? Plus, even in crowded places with weak signal, Huawei's signal is still really strong. You can also share photos to your social media anytime. And if you go to a forest park or somewhere with absolutely no signal, you don't have to worry. The two-way Beidou satellite messaging lets you send messages to colleagues, family, or friends whenever you need. It's super practical. Isn't the point of rushing to work every day to get off work earlier? After work, reward yourself with something tasty. There are still many people at the market after work. Before, you had to shout into your phone at the market, but the Huawei Mate70 Air does well here. It has two-way AI noise reduction. When I call, the other person hears me clearly, and I hear them clearly too.
Now, this is what it sounds like without AI noise reduction turned on. You can listen to the difference. Now, this is with AI noise reduction turned on. You can listen to the effect.
If you can't hear at the market, you could buy the wrong fish and be scolded at home. The Huawei Mate70 Air supports AI face swap in video calls. This helps prevent fraud risks. Hey boss, how much is that? Like a little fish in your lotus pond, just waiting with you under the bright moonlight. Luckily, it's Huawei. Huawei Mate72 uses Kunlun glass, which is extremely durable. Plus, it supports full-level waterproofing with IP68 and IP69 ratings, so little accidents in daily life are no problem at all.
A few moments later.
Finally done with work. Now I can catch up on my favorite sweet dramas. The Huawei Mate 72 is also amazing for binge-watching shows. It's the first phone certified by both Jinkai Audio and HDR Vivid. When watching dramas, the bigger screen and better sound quality really make you feel like you're right there in the scene. It's hard to imagine Huawei achieving such strong audio and visual performance in a slim and light body. Wow, it's getting late. From getting up and heading out at 8 a.m. to almost bedtime now, it's 10:11 p.m. My phone still has 35% battery left. This 6,500 mAh battery really lasts the whole day. Even with heavy use, there's still plenty of power left. With a slim, lightweight phone like this, you don't have to worry about battery life. After a full day using the camera, big screen, system, and more, I now have a comprehensive understanding of the Huawei Mate70 Air. It's one of the few phones that combines a slim body, large 7-inch display, ultra-large dual-speaker sound chambers, 6,500 mAh battery, Kunlun glass, and IP68/69 dust and water resistance. All flagship-level features are packed in, far exceeding what I expected from a slim, lightweight phone. Even more impressive, the HarmonyOS experience keeps getting better these days. The Huawei Mate70 Air runs HarmonyOS 5.1. After using it, I can say the system is smooth. The ecosystem is also improving. Whether it's productivity apps for editing documents and making presentations, or entertainment like gaming, watching shows, scrolling videos, or browsing Zaya Hongshu, it handles everything. HarmonyOS is improving in compatibility, and its ecosystem is becoming more complete. If you buy the Huawei Mate70 Air now, you can get HarmonyOS gifts, a 3-month premium membership, a monthly theme card, and a monthly reading card. You can also get a 10-set video membership and more. As a new product, Huawei is also offering daily HarmonyOS ecosystem red envelopes. During the sign-in period, you can receive a random cash red envelope every day. As an Air model, the Huawei Mate70L still delivers the Mate experience. Huawei's Air series isn't just about being thin and light. It's about offering a bigger screen and a better experience on top of that slim design. I think this is exactly what a thin and light phone should be like.